Many of our customers wonder what the difference is between the Basic, the Deluxe, and the Deluxe VX, sometimes known as the Super Deluxe Kodiak Flex-Bow Tent. Let me explain some of the differences. The main difference is the number of windows. Each of them have a door here on the right and a window here on the left. They zip up watertight. If you were to flip this tent around 180 degrees, you'd notice that there'd be a window here on the left and a door on the right. The only difference is there would be no awning on the back side. So each model has at least one window here and another one on the back, and then a door here on the front, and then another door on the back. So 2 windows and 2 doors. Now these all zip up watertight, so no matter how many windows it has, even these side windows, you do not have to worry about water getting inside. The Deluxe model has a door here, and you can see through this door because it also unzips to be a window, and a window here on the left. So 4 windows on this model versus 2 on the Basic model. The Deluxe version also has something that the Basic lacks, and that is these airflow vents. These airflow vents have a pocket that that covers it so that water doesn't come in when it's opened up, and you can still get some airflow. They face opposite ways so that no matter which way the wind is blowing, you should be able to get some airflow coming into these vents. And they do zip up, and all of these zip up from the interior. The difference between the Super Deluxe VX and the Deluxe is the number of windows. Again, you can see it's got a door here on the right, a window on the left, and if you flip it around, same thing, a door on the right and a window on the left. And these doors on this tent also unzip to become windows. But you'll notice that there's these triangular windows here on the side. We had a lot of customers that would take this to the Burning Man event or desert camping, or just really hot summer camping, and they wanted extra airflow. So that was what initiated this design with these triangular windows. And there's one on the right side here, and there's another one on the left side that you can't see from this angle. They replaced the airflow vent. So there's no airflow vent on this model. Some customers are concerned that with this extra window that they might get some water in, because with more zippers and seams, you stand the chance of getting more rain or water coming in, and that just is absolutely not true. They zip up from the interior, and there's a sheet of canvas. There's no seam here at the bottom, and it zips up at the sides. There's 2 zippers, so you can actually control how much airflow you want, if you want just a little triangular bit or a lot. If you're concerned about airflow with these airflow vents, these still, even in light rain, you can unzip these, because the no-seam mesh is woven so tightly that you actually have to have substantial rain to even get through these windows, which is kind of nice. The other differences are these. The Basic model does not have a gear loft. On the inside, there's a gear loft on these 2 models, the Deluxe and the Deluxe VX. There's a gear loft that clips into the ceiling where you can store jackets and coats and other things like that. It takes up just a little less than half of one side, so you can clip it up onto the left side or onto the right side, and that's the same for both of these models. The Basic does not include the gear loft. They all have some pocket organizers that are sewn underneath the windows. The Deluxe and the Deluxe VX, though, have extra storage. They have hanging pocket organizers and a hanging bag organizer. Both of them have those. The other difference is the storage bag. The Basic model does not it just has a regular duffel style storage bag, which is great. It's a generous size. You don't have to roll up the tent so tight that you have to worry about cramming it in that duffel bag. That's not the case. It's a nice generous size. The Deluxe and the Deluxe VX have an interesting bag, and it's kind of difficult to explain in a video, but let me do my best. This is a photograph of the cinch strap storage bag that the Deluxe and the Deluxe VX include. It basically lays flat. This flap here on the right and this flap here on the left, they lay flat to the sides. You roll the tent up to as tight as you want it, or it can be a lot looser like this one here. And then you basically take the bag, and the bag folds up on the sides and folds up here, and there's clips that lock it into place, and then you can pull some of the cinches and it tightens up. This is what that bag looks like once everything's buckled together and it has its own carrying handle on it. It's very convenient, very nice. Now the only other difference between these is the Deluxe VX includes a ground tarp. It's actually manufactured with the ground tarp in the same box. We have promotions on our website from time to time where it's included in the Deluxe, or it's discounted with the Basic if you order it at the same time. Now just to recap, the main differences are the number of windows. That's the big difference. They have the same 10-ounce canvas, the same wall weight. You don't have to worry about the canvas material in the tent body being any different. The floor is the same as well, 16 ounces. The stakes are all the same 12-inch stakes. The number of windows, as you can see, varies, 2 versus 4 versus 6. And like I said, the Deluxe and the Deluxe VX have they have a gear loft, extra bag organizers and pocket organizers that hang, and the premium storage bag. The ground tarp is optional on these. It is included on the Deluxe VX. They all have the same lifetime warranty. The Deluxe model has the airflow vents. This model has, the VX doesn't have those, but it has far more airflow going on because it's got those side windows. So no matter what direction the wind is blowing, you can get a breeze. If you have any questions, please reply to these videos and put in a comment, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have about this. Also, if this is helpful, if you could do me a favor and like this video, I would be very grateful.